Okay, so Glenn and I are working through number 6 in 8.3. And Glenn is smashing his mic into something.
Am I?
I don't know.
Just paper on top of my computer.
Oh yeah, don't do that. No worries. Okay, so we have y double prime plus 3y prime plus 2y equals 6 e to the t, and y of 0 is 1, and y prime of 0 is minus 1. So we Laplace transform everything in sight. We break everything up using linearity, because of course we do. So the Laplace transform of y double prime is s squared y minus, and then this should be y prime at 0, which is minus 1, plus, whoops, not plus.
So you multiply that by s, though?
Y prime at 0 does not get an s.
No?
Pretty sure.
For y double prime?
Yep. I don't know, it's been a while, but let's see. So if I go look in the book, why am I doing this the exceptionally slow way? Laplace transform of y double prime is s squared capital Y minus y prime at 0 minus sy at 0.
Yeah. So there should be an s there then, right?
There should be an s, yes.
Oh, yeah.
I just hadn't gotten to it yet.
You did the y prime at 0 first, that's why.
Yes, okay. I did. Okay, so I have s squared y minus 1 minus s at y of 0, which is 1, plus 3 times the quantity of s capital Y minus y at 0 is 1, plus 2 cap y is 6, and then I need the Laplace transform of e to the t, which is 1 over
s minus a.
S minus 1. Right, because I have a is 1 in this case?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. Simplifying a little bit, I got s squared y plus 1 minus s plus 3sy minus 3 plus 2 capital Y is 6 over s minus 1. Which, factoring out a capital Y, is y times s squared plus 3s plus 2. So that's that one, and that one accounted for.
Yeah.
And then everything else needs to go to the other side. So this is going to equal 6 over s minus 1, so that's that one accounted for, plus 3 plus s plus 1. Oops, shit. No, one of those is wrong. That would be a plus 3 plus s minus 1.
Well, I found my mistake, so.
Okay, well, let's talk our way through the rest of this anyway, because we started recording.
Yeah.
Pain in the ass. All right, so I got capital Y is, let's see, 6 over s minus 1 times s squared plus 3s plus 2. That's a 3. Plus, oh, for some reason I didn't combine 3 and 1. I don't know why. That's an s plus 2 over s squared plus 3s plus 2. And then we probably noticed something factors there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have still my 6 over s minus 1, and then this thing factors into what? S plus 2 times s plus 1?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yes. s plus 2, s plus 1, plus s plus 2 over s plus 2 times s plus 1. That's still supposed to be an s. This cancels, which is very convenient because then I can Laplace transform that thing. Or inverse Laplace transform that thing, rather. But this guy is a problem, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So I need to partial fraction decompose that somewhere.
Yes.
Okay. Partial, oops, that's not how you spell partial fraction decomposition. PFD, rather. So I got 6 over stuff is equal to a over s minus 1 plus b over s plus 2 plus c over s plus 1. And then you get some heavy side stuff, right? So yeah, 6 is a times s plus 2 times s plus 1 plus b times, I guess that's s squared minus 1, just being lazy, plus c, which now needs to be distinctly a c, times s minus 1 times s plus 2. And you already did this, right?
This stuff?
Yeah.
No, I didn't get this far.
Oh.
Because my mistake was back there, so I kept making it, but I mean from here it's not difficult.
Okay. Whatever, let's finish it. Alright, so s is negative 1. I get 6 is a times 0. Oh, still 0. 0 plus b times 0 plus c times negative 2 times 1. So I think that tells me that c is negative 3. At s is 1, I get 6 is 3a times 2. So that'll be a is 1. And at s is negative 2, I'm going to get 6 is 0 plus b times 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 0. Okay, so I got b is 2. I rushed through that a little bit. Did you track that, Glenn?
I did not.
Okay, cool.
No, I was, yeah, no, I mean, I'm paying attention, but just, yeah. What I was doing was I was checking if those agree with the answer in the back of the book, and they do. So,
Okay, cool.
yeah, you're good.
All right, so I PFD'd that, and now I had, oops, going back to black, I had y was, I'm going to have to find my stuff again, 1, 2, and negative 3. I hate really, the inverted mouse thing just drives me wild. All right, minus 1, plus 2, plus 1. So minus 1, plus 2, plus 1. And then what was that third term up there that I lost? Or the fourth term? 1 over s plus 1?
Yes.
Okay, so
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
these two together make a minus 2 over s plus 1.
Right, okay, cool.
And then I need to inverse Laplace transform everything. So I get y, right, is, all right, inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus 1 is e to the t plus 2 e to the minus 2t minus 2 e to the minus t.
Right.
Pretty sure.
Yeah.
And that's what they got?
Yeah.
Rad. Circle, check, done. Check, done. What was your mistake? Just a sign error or a typo or something?
Yeah, it was just a sign error. So
yeah, I mean that's
I also probably would have gotten stuck when you did your cool varsity move and just let the 1 over s plus 1 out of the whole heaviside thing that you did.
Oh yeah, for sure. If you can, so at a stage like we're looking at this stage here.
Hold on. Because when you move the screen, I don't like when.
Yeah. I blue starred something 2 lines above the PFD.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, so once you're in that stage there, you have 2 options. You can either try to stick things together, which lets you do just one PFD, or if you have something that's already pretty easy to inverse Laplace transform, just leave it.
Okay.
Because really all you're doing with PFD is rearranging a term. You're not doing calculus to it, right? You're just putting it in, you're rephrasing it so it'll be easier. And so if you have something that's already easy, don't bother to try to combine it with the other thing and then rephrase it, you know?
Right. Okay.
All right, I'm going to kill this recording if I can find it. Where's my recording?